So I don't know how it's gonna work with my little braids, but I'm gonna try because I love my braids and I'm not ready to take them out. I've had them in for about 6 weeks. I did wash them 2 days ago. I have not oiled them because I am waiting to do this. So I'm gonna be oiling my hair today and tightening my braids. Okay, so let's get into it. Precisely what I will be doing is just wetting my hair a little bit more. Like I said, I did shampoo my hair a couple of days ago, so I'm just putting some water in there and my jam. That's all. Let's get started. First, I'm gonna section out all the part of my hair that I would like to redo, which should probably just be the top, because this is a lot of braids to redo. So the top and the front. Now that I have the section that I'm going to be redoing aside from the rest of the hair, I'm going to start from one end of my temple, and all I'm doing is just taking my hair jam and re-twisting my hair. I do have a comb because there's some parts of the hair that will need to be kind of like brushed together, and if your natural hair is still in the braid, do not try to pull it out to make a part. Just brush it and keep it going. The last thing you want to do is pull on your hair. Also, try not to twist too tight. On this next one that I have in my hand right now, I went ahead and twisted forward, and I didn't like how it looked at the end, so I redid it off camera. But just for you to see, I think I just kind of wanted to see what it would be twisting forward and twisting backwards. So as you can see, this one is going a little in a different direction than the previous one. So moving on, I went ahead and twisted the entire head backwards. So you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about here. So just put a little bit of jam. You don't want to put too much. You can use whatever jam, gel, braiding jam you have. Whatever, edge control, it's up to you. And you see in this one, I only twisted maybe like 3 times. You don't have to twist a whole lot of times. And I got a pin, and I just hairpin, and I just kind of pin it in place so that way it would dry and the hair would just stay as neat. So the most section I did, I realized different techniques were working. I liked parting the entire row, just brushing the entire row, and then I also thought combing the portion of my root that was out before putting the jam on there was a good idea. So I started to do that. You see, I'll comb the root, the new growth, before I add the jam, before I start twisting, because the last thing you want to do is your hair to knot up. Now, I'm uploading this video maybe about, let's say, 5 days after I redid this, and my hair is not knotted. The twist is still in some of the hair, and my hair still looks neat. I'm gonna wear it for another week, and yeah, and I think it looks good. The parting is still clean, so I think this is a fantastic method to use, and you don't have to worry about your hair knotting up because you're not using a locking jam. You're just using a braiding jam or gel. So I'm doing the other side of my hair. Unfortunately, I'm using a camera that has a poor resolution or poor quality. That's why it kind of looks a little different. And again, just doing the same thing I did on the other side, adding the jam and retwisting, adding the jam and retwisting. And that's all I'm doing. I absolutely love this, and I would do it again on my next braid. I would do it at any chance I get. I would do this technique because it saved me another 2 weeks on my braided hair, because I love my hair and I love that I can do this to just revamp and make my hair look fresh. So enjoy this. Voila, there you have it, all done. As you can see, I have pins in my hair, and I'm just going through and just putting some oil on my scalp. I have a video that's coming up that talks about not oiling your scalp. And in that video, you'll learn so much that will help your hair grow. I don't have any specific oil that I use with my hair. I use any type of oil that I put my hand on. For hair growth, I think consistency is key. And yeah, in that video, you will get to learn a lot of cool tricks and actual facts that will help you grow longer, healthier hair. But there you have it. After putting so much mousse in my hair, I tied it up and allow it to dry. And here is the final results. I was so surprised. I was amazed. I was feeling it. You couldn't tell me anything that night. Oh man, my hair was looking good. So if you found this video helpful, please go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share it. Share it with someone. If you think it's gonna be beneficial to a friend, share it. Thanks for watching. Bye.